story? Okay. Okay, now what we are gonna tell now? I don't know. Maybe the fox eat the berries? Oh, right. First you. You remember, right? No. You. I will tell first, then you can tell. Oh, right. Once upon a time, there was a fox. He was very hungry, so he go to the forest. He was really hungry, so he go really fast, and he found a berry tree. So he tried to jump and got a berry, but he can't. So he tried jumping, maybe climbing, everything he could, but he never can do that. So he thought it was not yummy berries. So he go away telling it's not yummy berries. It's not yummy berries. It's not yummy, but it's not yummy berries. He said few times and go away and try to find something else. Thank you. Now it's your turn. Alright. The tortoise and hare. So a tortoise eating the tortoise faster than her. He didn't hear her and he thought we will go to a race from the forest. The tortoise said, alright, I will win this challenge. The tortoise said. The rabbit, alright, let's go. The tortoise and the rabbit and everyone was watching to look at who's the winner. Then tortoise and rabbit, the hare and running, go, go, go. The tortoise so slow. The rabbit is going so fast for a far distance. He saw nothing, just the forest. He found a carrot and a tree. He was so tired, he ate a carrot and sleep in the tree. The tortoise gaining up. He coming to the finish line. He saw the rabbit. He didn't make a noise. He wake up. He saw her going to the finish line. He go very fast. The tortoise winner and the hare is tripped. The end. Wow. Oh, yeah. Okay, but I have to think a little. I will tell from a little bit. What I should tell. Crocodile and the monkey. Okay, I love that story. Once upon a time, there was a monkey. He was really close to a pond. Then one day, a crocodile was really hungry. Then he go swim everywhere in the pond, but he can't find any fish. So he swim and swim and swim, found a mango tree. Then he found a monkey in the tree. So he tell, can you give me a mango? Then the monkey said, okay, I can give you a mango, but you have to do something else someday. Okay, and got the mango and go away, swim away. Then one day the crocodile's wife tell, I want to taste the monkey's heart. Then the other crocodile tell, no, he is my friend. So then the crocodile say again, okay, fine, I will get the monkey's heart for you. Then the heart take a the crocodile went to the ponds behind tree, the monkey's tree. Then the crocodile said, I have a surprise for you, just like you said that day. Then he thought, okay, I am really ready. Okay, I will go with you. Then a little bit later, the crocodile said, I have a thing to you to say tell. Then the monkey said, okay. Then the crocodile said the thing he want to say. Back. Then the crocodile said, my wife want your heart. Then the monkey was so scared and think a little, so much time. Then he remember something his mother tell him. Then he tell, oh no, my heart was in the tree. You could tell me early. The crocodile tell, okay, then let's go to the tree again. Okay, let's go to the tree again. The monkey and the crocodile tell, go swimming fast. Then they go to the behind tree. The monkey's tree. Then the monkey jump to the tree and tell to the crocodile, oh my God, crocodile friend, you don't know we need the heart for being life. Then the monkey said, get out of here. I don't need a friend like you. Go away. I don't need to. The end. Thank you. This is your turn.